so today I'm gonna review the Dot & Key Foot Cream Deodorizer Plus Moisturizer Lavender and Peppermint fragrance. So yeah, we review it in 3 major points. First, its packaging, second, its texture, and third, what I feel about this product and my whole experience. So first, let's talk about its packaging. It comes in this very cute little pouch or carton, you can say, and it opens like this and has that foot cream tube in it. So this is how it looks. It opens like a usual tube, and you guys, it smells like very minty, very fresh, cooling smell it has. So yeah, that's all for packaging. Let's talk about its texture now.
So let me take small amount of the product at the back of my hand to show you its texture. So it in this white color and very gel like consistency it has, totally water like but a little denser, so it completely moisturizes and leaves that radiant shine.
Let's see what they claim. They claim that it shields against sweat and odor while nourishing deeply. So let me tell you my personal experience. I do not feel any difference after applying this cream because it only moisturizes and nothing do more than that, which is quite disappointing because you are spending almost 400 rupees for 50 ml of the product, and if it does moisturize and do nothing else, then what the use of it? You can apply normal moisturizer. Also, what they claim is that it does this fragrance thing, which to be honest doesn't last much. So yeah, I do not think there's any use for this extra product and spend this much amount of money for just this. So I'll not recommend it at all. That's all from my side. So meet you soon in the next video with another review. Until next time, love.